Are you looking to add high-tech convenience to your classic car? If so, you've come to the right place. The PAC-3500 can control existing solenoids to lock or unlock your doors when shifting into or out of park. Gear position information comes from our GSS 2000, sold separately. Alternatively, the doors can be locked at a user-adjustable vehicle speed activated by a new or existing VSS signal. The doors will unlock when the vehicle is placed back into park or when the ignition switch is turned off. The PAC-3500 can also be used to activate suicide door safety latches. With a clearly labeled terminal strip, connections are readily available. If you don't already have power locks, we've got you covered there as well with the PDR1 solenoid.